For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Tired of food cooking unevenly? This small oven solves the problem instantly. And I've seen it myself. Electric convection oven, 21 liters, 47 liters, 66 liters, countertop 3 to 4 layer baking machine. If you want consistent baking without buying a big commercial oven, this electric convection oven is one of the most practical upgrades you can add to your kitchen. I'm saying this from real use. Most small ovens struggle with heat balance, but this one stays even on every tray. The first time I tested a batch of pastries, all layers came out the same color. No burnt tops, no raw bottoms. Why this oven makes cooking easier? Comes in 21 liters, 47 liters, and 66 liters, perfect for home kitchens or small cafes. 360 degrees hot air circulation keeps heat balanced, good for bread, pizza, cookies, and roasting. Temperature control 150 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, plus a 120-minute timer. Stainless steel body, tempered glass door, and easy cleaning. Includes wire racks, tray, bread clip, and heat-resistant gloves. Whether you bake daily or run a small food business, this oven keeps results consistent without extra effort. In my small test kitchen, the 47-liter model handled multiple trays with 0 hot spots, something I usually expect only from larger ovens. Fast cooking, less oil, and more control. Cooks quicker than traditional ovens, uses less oil thanks to convection heat. Internal light plus dual-pane glass help you monitor food without losing heat. If you want pro-level baking in a compact space, this oven is the upgrade you'll appreciate every single day.